Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue Chapter 3 of Geography, where we are studying about our changing Earth. Dear students, this is the third module of this chapter, and in this module we shall study about different features or landforms formed by the action of sea waves, ice, and wind. So let's begin with the discussion on the features formed by sea waves. The erosion and deposition of the sea waves gives rise to coastal landforms such as sea caves, sea arches, stack, and sea cliff. Let's discuss sea caves. A sea cave, also known as littoral cave, it is a type of cave formed by the wave action of the sea. Dear students, sea waves continuously strike at the rocks. Due to it, cracks develop. Over time, they become larger and wider. Thus, hollow-like caves are formed on the rocks. They are called sea caves. When sea caves become bigger and bigger, only the roof of the caves remain. It forms sea arches. Dear students, erosion breaks the roof and only walls are left. These wall-like features are called stacks. The steep rocky coast rising almost vertically above seawater is called sea cliff. Dear students, the sea waves deposit sediments along the shore. In this way, beaches are formed. Next is the features formed by the ice. Dear students, due to ice, two types of features are formed, glaciers and glacial moraines. So let's talk about glaciers. A glacier is a large mass of ice moving slowly over some land surface or down a valley. They are formed over long periods from the accumulation of snow in the areas where the amount of snow that falls exceeds the amount that melts. Dear students, as the ice melts, they get filled up with water and become beautiful lakes in the mountains. Next is glacial moraines. The material carried by the glaciers, such as rocks, big or small, sand and silt, gets deposited. These deposits form glacial moraines. Next, the features formed by the action of wind, and these are mushroom rocks, sand dunes, and loess. So let's discuss about mushroom rocks. Dear students, an active agent of erosion and deposition in the deserts is wind. In deserts, rocks in the shape of a mushroom, commonly called mushroom rocks. Here, winds erode the lower section of the rock more than the upper part. Therefore, such rocks have narrower base and wider top. In deserts, when the wind blows, it lifts and transports sand from one place to another. When it stops blowing, the sand falls and gets deposited in low hill. This hill-like structures called sand dunes. When the grains of sand are very fine and light, the wind can carry it over very long distances. When such sand is deposited in large areas, it is called loess. Large deposits of loess is found in China. So dear students, that was all about this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.